welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a really fun and amazing science experiment. This science experiment is called the Magic Leak-Proof Bag. So for this experiment, you will need water, a plastic Ziploc bag, some pencils, and an empty container. So for this experiment, the first step is to take your Ziploc bag and fill it up about halfway with water. After filling up your Ziploc bag, you want to make sure that you seal the top. And what you want to do is take your pencils and they have to be sharp, otherwise this experiment will not work. You'll need to take your pencils and quickly poke them through the water, through the Ziploc bag. As you can see here, none of the water is leaking out from any of the sides. I will explain why it's not leaking out in the next part of my video. So, in the last part of this video, I did the magic leak-proof bag experiment. Now, do you know why the water did not leak from the plastic bag even when I poked the pencils through it? This is because the bag is made of polymer. Polymer is a long, flexible chain of molecules. When we poke a pencil through the bag, molecules spread apart and wrap around the pencil. That is the explanation of water not leaking out of the bag even when I poked pencils through it. I hope you liked today's experiment. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Bye, everyone!